Hey Lauren, Ellen here. I just wanted to make a quick, well maybe not so quick, but not very planned video and show you what to do with the extra bits that I'm sending you. First of all, the ones you ordered they're beautiful, they're really pastel-y, and you simply add the ribbon onto them. But it's really quick and sometimes maybe a little bit too quick. So I'm sending you an option of making it a bit more of an activity and also to add some other colors onto them. And so I'm sending you some strong colored, really delicate little petals and some pastel-y petals. If you add the strong ones, it looks really wildflowery, and if you add the pastel ones, you just make it a bit fuller. You don't have to separate them. You can just put everything together, and people can use their creativity and make their perfect headband. So how to attach them? There's going to be loads of these little wires, and you attach the wire onto the headband, and the petals all have a hole in the middle. So all you do is simply thread the petal through, hold it in place, and wrap the wire around. And you just repeat that. So let's do another one. Thread the petal, put it down, maybe hold it, wrap the wire, and continue. And then you can start on a second wire if you want, add some to the side. You could cut the wires to have some shorter ones, perhaps. But this is really easy, and it makes it, as I said, more of an activity. And if I were you, depending on how the day goes, you don't have to do this. It's going to look beautiful just adding the ribbon, but you have this option. So, okay, let's put that to the side. And now let me show you the bridal one. So the bridal one, it's already quite full, and but more is more. So I'm going to show you how to add to this one, and I'm giving you some white petals separately, and as well some white rosebuds. So how you attach these petals is to take a rosebud, you take it through the hole of the petal, you hold it where you want it, and then you use the wire to attach to the headband. And as much as you want, really. Doesn't need that much, but yeah, you'll up to you. Now at the back, sorry, lost my thought. At the back I have attached some of the wires, and the idea with this is to create some kind of veil, and you use the same kind of petals through the hole, and then you bring the wire back on itself a tiny bit and just close it so that the petal is secure. And it can be quite nice to put the wires at a different height, so you get some really long ones and some shorter ones. So through the hole, like that. Oh, sorry, I just remembered something. I better tell you before I forget again. Sizing. You will never have to make a headband bigger, because they come too big for anyone. You will have to make it smaller. You can make it a little bit smaller once you put the ribbon on, but if you need to make it a lot smaller, I suggest you do that before you add the ribbon. And you can do this anywhere on the headband, but it's sort of tidier to do it at the front behind the flowers. So simply fold the wire to make it smaller. And once you put the ribbon on, you can tweak it like this at the back. You won't see that. I think that's it. I will send the order tomorrow, and you should get a automatic notification once it's been sent, and then hopefully within a few days you'll be able to track it. So that's it. Anything, let me know, and take care. Bye.